Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make realistic water drops in Adobe Photoshop. This is a really easy method. You can literally use it all the time. It's so cool and it works so well. So first off, you get your preferred selection tool. Now you can grab the elliptical marquee tool, but you can also use any other selection tool. Like for example, if you don't want a perfectly round or oval water drop, you can get the Freeform Pen Tool, right? And let's draw a kind of wobbly one, right? It'll make a path. You click here and click on selection, press OK. Now you want to add a new layer. Press G on your keyboard or click here to grab your gradient tool. You can click here to edit the gradient. You want to use the basics, black to white. Press OK. Make sure you have it in a linear. Mode is normal and opacity is 100%. And now you just click and drag and your gradient will fill in your selection. Command D to deselect. Now change the blend mode to something like overlay. Double click on your layer and we're going to add an inner shadow with pretty much these options. Now it depends on the size of your artboard and your water drop, but more or less these kind of could be right for you as well. And then add a drop shadow. And that's basically it. So this is our water drop. You can move it around. You can command T and make it smaller. And let's see, let's move it somewhere else. I'm gonna place it right there. Now the cool thing about this is, let's say I want to make another water drop. You can do it on the same layer. You can add a new layer. Right click here, copy the layer style, and then repeat the whole thing on a new layer. So make your circle, gradient, deselect, overlay, then right click and paste layer style. You can do that, or you can actually just keep doing them on the same layer. For example, I'm gonna add a little drop over here. G, make your gradient, and it'll automatically apply the layer style that you have going on over here. So it's actually really fast this way. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's so cool. It's so fast. And they actually look pretty realistic to me. Look at that. Now you can definitely, if you do it on separate layers, you can definitely change the shadows and inner glow options. So probably is better to do them on separate layers so that you can individually change everything, but still pretty cool effect. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you tomorrow.